I've been traveling to Costa Rica for many years. This is the first time with a kayak. 30 miles from Capos, we find what we're looking for. Hundreds of spinner dolphins. These dolphins are swimming at 4 to 5 knots. You really have to work to stay up with a pod. With my hands free, I can fish and even take pictures while still staying up with the action. Why do they spin? Maybe it's just for fun. When the frigate birds swoop low over the water, picking off bait fish, the tuna are usually close by. From experience, we know that yellowfin tuna travel in close association with dolphins. The tuna school is swimming right under the kayak. It doesn't take long to hook a fish. I need to maneuver quickly so I don't lose the fish. Even a small tuna puts up a serious fight on light tackle. If you're practicing hook and release, get the fish into your net quickly so you can limit the stress. In just a couple of years, this young fish will weigh in at about 100 pounds. This is one of those days to remember. Calm seas, an experienced crew, and non-stop action.